Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone. So this is a pretty straightforward tutorial. If you follow me, then you can get it done. So what you need to do is click on your setting. Your setting window will pop up. Now here what you're going to do is click on your name or click on your username that you logged in with. Click on that and then scroll down to the bottom of that menu. Once you scroll down, you'll find the option called sign out. Now once you click on sign out, this window will pop up where it'll ask for your password. If you enter your password correctly, it'll sign you out. Remember that you need to enter your password before signing out from your iPhone. So I'm gonna click on this and then enter my password of my email, which is logged in. And then what I need to do is click on turn off. Okay, so now I click on turn off after entering my password. Let's see what happens. So this other window will pop out. In this window, it's going to ask me whether if I need to keep any copy of following detail on the phone. So I can make a copy of it. Let's suppose I'm signing out and I need some of the details still on my phone. Then I can check them, I can toggle them on, and then I can sign out. In this instance, I don't need to keep any copy of any of the options. So I'm going to click on sign out. It's going to ask me one more time that are you sure you want to sign out? Then I'm going to click sign out, and it's going to copy some iCloud data which is required, and then it's going to sign me out of my iPhone or my Apple ID. So this is how you can sign out of your Apple ID from your iPhone. And then if you click again on your username, you'll get the option or you get the menu of signing in with your Apple ID. So this is pretty much it. I hope this video helped you. Please drop a like, comment if you have any question, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one. Peace.